Hello everyone, myself Aryan Gupta from Economics Department of IIT Kharagpur. My roll number is 20HS20011. Today I will show you all my projects of DIY assignment 1. First of all, I have made a pencil box using fillet, loft, add parts, binary subtraction and shell method. First of all, I made this twisted box using loft option. Then I shell it out using shell option like which is here, this one. And then I added spears, 4 spears here, and then I subtracted that spears from the main drawing by using subtraction method, binary subtraction. Then I take a put a color on it. Second, I have made a chess piece by using revolve, array, binary subtraction, addition, and fillet method. First of all, I made this body by revolving a drawing around it. Then I add spears here, here, and one here. So then I subtracted that first here, spear from here. Binary means array I have used and put all the spears here with the help of this single one, and then I subtracted that one from here. Then I use fillet option to make it blunt here and here. And my third assignment is made in Fusion 360. It is another CAD software. Here I have made a bolt and nut system. First of all, I have made this body using extrude features. This and this. Then I used merge feature of it to merge hexagonal and circle, the circle ones, and then use fillet to give this spatial effect like this one by merging circular and hexagonal part. Then I also give fillet option here. Then by using spatial thread option, I have made this thread here and here. Now I have taken all this, I have saved all this file in STL, and then I have taken it in the Cura file, this one, this preview one. I have used draft 2mm feature. Then I have used 30% of infill density. I have used printing temperature of 200 degrees Celsius and build temperature of 80 degrees Celsius. Print speed is kept at 60 millimeter per second. And all this brim is there and everything is there. Now, it approximately takes 3 hours and 40 minutes to draw all these three together. I have put special care to this. I have put it in this position so that they can be glued together, and one by one they will would side to side each other, and they will need support of each other. Anything in preview option you can see that they will first be they will first start from here, from the left one, and then they will go on like this, and simultaneously they three will go up, and this way they will be made with each other. Thank you for understanding what it is.